So today in this video, TCL Mini LED versus LG NanoCell. So which one you should buy and which one is mostly marketing? Let's find out. The TCL Mini LEDs, actually they use thousands of tiny LEDs for backlighting. More LEDs means like better brightness control and deeper blacks and stronger contrast. It's basically a more affordable version of the premium TV technology that tries to compete with high-end OLED performance. Whereas the LG NanoCell uses special color filtering layer to improve color accuracy and viewing angles. These TVs focus more on vibrant colors and cleaner image quality. So the good things with these two TVs is that the mini LEDs, they are way better, they have way better contrast and black levels and much brighter for HDR movies and gaming, and they are excellent value for money. Whereas the LG nanocells here, they are more natural and accurate colors. They give more accurate colors and better viewing angles as well. And they are more reliable brand reputations. The LG has that as well. But on the drawback here, the TCL minis, their viewing angles are not amazing, and some models can be like blooming around bright objects. And also the LG nanocells here, like they have weak contrast compared to the mini LEDs, and their HDR performance is noticeably a bit weaker, so they are not the best value compared to their competitors. So for movie lovers and gamers, if you want the best picture quality on a budget, then TCL mini LEDs easily wins, and that's a better option for you. Okay, and for casual, like for casual family watching, but you watch a lot of sports, cable TV, and daylight content, then like LG NanoCell is still an easy and solid option for you.